Sanbonani, football lovers. Welcome to Sportibong Zikamalambong Inkosi. This is where football and passion meet. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and to click the notification bell. Danko. This is how a team is supposed to play. A team that is under pressure, a team that wanted to win. And badly so. The mandate was clear. Try to press them because we had, I think, 4 of our attacking players have a pace. That's why we would see with every time when we are going forward, we are explosive. You'll find them to going forward with an outburst pace, to praise Lilebo and also Umodi. So that allowed us to pile on the pressure to Ikubascope. That's why we were trying by all means to score an early goal so that it can give us a cushion, so that we can relax and plan after that, and then try to manage the game so that it can be able for us to squads penetrate more. So the mandate was simple. Score early, try not to make any mistakes and consider an early goal. Try by all means within the middle of the park, you become as composed as possible so that you don't make mistakes that is going to cost the team. That's why there was an inclusion of Nkosi Mphilanco, because he's able to give us that. He's able to control the tempo, he's able to control the middle field, he's able to dish up passes. That's why I always advocate for him to play, because remember, good team, it's not only about the fact that he's good when it comes to set pieces, but also in terms of breaking play. Ama-pass wakhe whereby ukuthi is able ukuthi ayenze aphula ama-window. That the pass that he made to Lilebo before azokora Lilebo and he missed. So that is what is important from that player, because he's able to see, okay, there's a space here, let me try to pass this ball here. Today I would say with the first half it was good for us, because it was Kaizer Chiefs. All the first half it was Kaizer Chiefs trying to get an early goal. Our wingers were very good today because they were able to understand, okay, let's try by all means to go at them. Lilebo could have scored, Dupriz could have scored, and Lilebo could have scored a brace, Mori could have scored. So that alone tells us we had a mandate to try to score as early as possible. But some of the decisions that we were making were not that spot on, but it was good to see we were trying by all means this is improving doing that, because the composure in the box it's letting us down. That's why most of the time you don't score the goals that we create, because you will see the link up play from the middle fielder, from Ox to Ngobo, take it to Mdodai. Mdodai will try to link with Umodi, and then Umodi will try with Akate inside and then look for another player. So that's why we saw today the importance of Solomon has a pace, so he was able to give us that number going forward, whereby he will allow Lilebo to carry inside, to tag inside, and then he will try to use that right flank so that he can be able to go to the defenders of Ikabuscope and try to outpace them, and then try to put in a cutbacks, of which I'd say most of them were not successful. But the reason we got that goal, it was I won't say it was the smartness of Solomon's, because that was a decision that I'd say it was a wrong decision, because if he didn't score that one, people are going to blame him, because he had an option to press there, but he decided to let me go for it and shoot. Luckily, we were alert and obvious, we were aware of the situation. We pounced on that ball very quickly. Lilebo made sure he scores that one. So we would see there was interchanging of positions, whereby you would find Lilebo going to the right hand side, find Dupriz going that, find Umodi trying to get inside so that he can give an outlet to players like Cross is playing so well, so that amanye ama-tackles wakhe bekumele awabhekisise first half, because bezomcosta igame. Yeah, he's a hard tackler and a good marker and a good passer of the ball. But the main thing about this first half was the fact that we were trying by all means to limit making mistakes, try to be accurate as possible when making these passes, so that it can be easy for us to square transition going forward. But then is the fact that when we are going forward, let's go in a synchronized way, whereby if you want to go with pace, make sure your players are in the same wavelength with you, because can try abe explosive going forward. But manje ndembulala ukuthi labantu adlala nabo akekho ku same wavelength. It's either basemuva or yena usemuva kunabo. So ezinye zezinto bekumele sizibheke ukuthi okay, this first half was very good to see, because you can see with this Kaizer Chiefs that was playing, it had intentions ukuthi we'll try by all means to find an early goal so that we make things easier for us. So it worked for us. So we are looking forward to see with the second half basis Partilan, because I think Ikabuskop didn't prepare for what happened, because the way we played, it showed character, it showed what the gents were willing to get that goal so that it can be easier for us. That's why you can see with the players will go forward and then they will try to track back and win the ball and start a transition going forward. We made many turnovers. The importance of Ox in that midfield has always comes to life, whereby we realize the importance, because those players are physical and they are strong, but he tries by all means to compete with them to give Ungcobo that free role ukuthi yena his job will be just to receive the ball and dish out the passes to forward players. So that was the summary of the first. So let's go to the second half. The second half we continued where we left off first half, because we kept on piling pressure on the Kubascope, making sure we did a crack at the back. But one thing that is always letting us down is the efficiency. We are not efficient in the goalpost. We can create 7 chances, but instead of scoring at least 5 or scoring 3, we might find we won't even score even a single goal. Our co-coaches made early subs, of which I think they were necessary, because they took out Umtu Beseka Khathele. Nkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo I was also tired. I think khona la thinti ke khona Dylan Solomons. So obviously the game plan had to change, because the introduction of Rosa simply means good, you have to try by all means good overload that right hand side, so that angeke abe exposed to a pace yama player with Kubascope, of which we handled that very well. That's why I'd say good, I commend the role that Ox plays. Is very important ukuthi simnike credit when it's true, because especially in this game of today, he played very well. He made forward passes. His interceptions were also interceptions that would result to a forward pass, so that you can start going forward on a transition. But I think players like Abo Lile Bonimodi removed the foot off the pedal second half, because they were no longer attacking the way they attacked the first half, because now they were too relaxed. Their decision making, even their movements, were no longer spot on. That's why we found it difficult. They introduced Duktele to try and control that midfielder. Yeah, of which I don't think he made justice to that. It's just good today it was our day. Kubascope was nowhere to be found in the field. That's why we were able with the squads to control the whole game, because we were the home team, obviously. Our own soccer ball, our own stadium, our own fans, so we had to try by all means. That's why it resulted to going to penalties where we won. That's why they always say, "Good, you live by the sword, you die by the sword." Sereno missed it on Wednesday, he scores. Eden McCarthy missed it, or we Toyota Cup, he scored. So that's Brendan Peterson saved us again. But I would say with a player like Silva has to try to improve on his first touch, because I think there are chances that they create for him and he lets the team down, because that final play from Ufrosl could have been a goal if he was a striker that was oozing in confidence. Just to poke that thing, score. Usafuna ukutrapper, but you know ukuthi awubhekanga nebhalo ukuthi likuphi. But we are glad ukuthi we won, even though sindo ngokulayeza, but there was a message that was sent ukuthi we wanted to win this game at all costs. That's why you saw we were trying to attack from the first whistle to the last. We were attacking. We had structure at the back. That's why it was difficult for Kubascope to penetrate and try to crack it at the defense of ours. We're very solid. Cross ended up being substituted because of an injury. McCarthy got in, obviously match we say advance. A team bengekisa attack that much, but we should say our back four was very solid. Solomons, he showed a good account of himself after a long time without playing. He was one of my best players today. Him, Ox, Miguel, Kwinika, and also Ulilepo. They played very well. It's just you have to fix here and there. it's a good thing ukuthi you qualified to ama group stages. That's when we're gonna take the tournament serious, because that's when everything will come to be clear. Now it's just good, we're under pressure, we had the longest run without winning. Yabona, we drew, we lost, so we had to make sure we try at least to bring hope again to our season. So I don't know what do you think, but I think this was a good game for us. Quality football, quality display in terms of movement, in terms of passing. I hope you did see ukuthi Ox is not doing a big pass because uyayithanda. Our players can't position themselves in a way ukuthi they're gonna receive the ball, because Ox is thinking about ukuthi if pass, bal intercept, we have to try and win the ball again. And then we play far away from each other, so that's why sometimes it costs us when it comes to recovery. But if we press and we are close to each other, it becomes easy. None of us lose the ball, we can win it very fast, we can close the field as quick as possible. Yeah. So players like Mori, first half he was good, second half uvele wacima ibali, shama hospital pass to ama teammate wakhe, passing yakhe not accurate, decision making. Another thing that is letting us down from our forwards, composure in the box. We are not composed, but I'm glad that we won this game. Hopefully it is a start of good things. We kept a clean sheet, obviously. Good saves that he made, Brennan Peterson, and also my penalty shootout. The first one because if he didn't dive high and tried to slide, I think he could have saved that penalty. But we won. That is what is important. That's what we need from a team, to play with character, to show that they are willing to get those results. Not play as if now we have given up hope, but play with dedication. Make us see what you want to win by all means. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. Danko.